reading program, and then it is also helps us to do independent writing program. But we are not taking Jolly. See, what I personally practice and what we are personally adapting at Canvas is a Jolly Phonics program. Please go to how many of you have actually gone to Jolly Phonics website and find out what it is? किसी ने किया है ये पता कि what is Jolly Phonics? It's not something which is my personal brand. No, not at all. It is very much prevailing brands. Can you all, are you all getting any disturbance from my side? Because I think that a lot of, I can't really stand here. So, anybody? Am I heard? Can you all hear me? Not hear me? Right? I think you can, right? Okay, fine. So, have you all found out what is Jolly Phonics is all about? So, Jolly Phonics, okay, if you haven't, I would like to tell you all. Okay, fine. So, I think from this thing. No, I really can't.
Yeah.
Hi, everyone. Just give us.
Prachi?
Network issue. Oh, Asha got disconnected. Just give us 2 minutes. We are just shifting to her. I understand because of network issue, and we are also so many of us. So just 2 minutes.
Okay.
Give it to us by the time.
Okay.
2 minutes. Right. Sorry for the inconvenience.
No issues, no worries.
Yes, 2 minutes. Sometimes we just get into some network issues. So I think you're going to learn a lot of things about phonics and academics today. It's entirely based with Asha ma'am for your academics. We thought, चलो हम भूल नहीं जाएं उससे पहले एक revision बहुत जरूरी है. So we thought, Asha, let's take one revision because she's wonderful in that. So definitely. Any queries, any questions related, please keep noting it down. I would request everybody, you can write it in the chat box, but don't leave your things in between. Next time, push it. You can put it in the chat box. She can read through the chat box. So,
ma'am,
yes.
आपने जो पीडीएफ भेजे है ना, तो उसमें जो लिंक भेजे हैं, तो वो लिंक हम पेरेंट्स को मोबाइल पे भेजते हैं, तो पेरेंट्स वो लिंक मोबाइल पे ओपन नहीं हो रहे हैं. बहुत सारे पेरेंट्स की ये थी कंप्लेंट थी.
कौन सा लिंक ओपन नहीं हो रहा? Which link are you talking about?
कोई भी लिंक ओपन नहीं हो रही थी जो
I want to tell you one thing. What happens is when they see a lot of traffic on their server, or maybe शायद एक particular link को बार बार जब देखा जाता होगा, what I have realized is because sometimes those links don't open. वो I have also figured it out कि phonics के specifics, because they block it for some time. I have to really know the technical person from our side would actually find it out कि होता क्या है. So वो link जो होते हैं ना, they block it for some time and then they again start it and then again block it. This happens, right? So what I'm going to do is, what we can easily do is we can download those particular videos, not all, because see, generally सारे link block नहीं होते हैं. Most viewed like phonics song है, उसका शायद however मैंने नहीं देखा है वो कभी ब्लॉक होते, बट अगर बाई एनी चांस ब्लॉक होता है, प्लीज उसको डाउनलोड कर दीजिए, और डाउनलोड करके यू कैन शेयर इट विद योर पेरेंट्स इन योर पर्सनल कैपेसिटी. व्हाट हैपेंस इज, मैं तो आपके साथ शेयर करूंगी, दैट्स 12 मिनट का वीडियो. I'll have to share it with WeTransfer or like any of the other mode. But those videos are, the videos which get blocked. I know it. It's the blocking from the network side. I mean, the personal owner holder side, the account holder side. So I don't know how to resolve that, because I generally use them by downloading it. How to reach to the parents about it, I'll have to really figure it out, because वो तो है, मुझे पता है, पहले भी ऐसा हुआ है. 42 साउंड्स का वीडियो जो मैं अभी आपको दिखाने वाली हूँ, वो अक्सर ब्लॉक होता है. नॉट ऑल द राइम्स एंड वगैरह का तो नहीं होता है जैसे जो हम फॉलो करते हैं, बट यस, जॉली के videos they block it for some time. Let's see, we'll actually figure it out. How do we do
When
it?
they
Okay.
complain me, when they complain me, I tried from my mobile. I also face same problem. I was not able to open the link, but it was easy to open from my laptop. But
हाँ, तो
from
वो भी कुछ हो सकता है. Let us figure out that also कि लैपटॉप से हो सकते हैं, पता नहीं. अभी मुझे ना, आप ना रूपाली,
Excuse me, ma'am.
या
मैम, I also face this problem, but then I call head office and मैम ने मुझे टेल किया कि भाई आप गूगल पे इसको डालिए, एंड गूगल पे डाल के मैम उसने डायरेक्ट यूट्यूब लिंक खोल दिया, तो मैंने सबको डाउनलोड करके सेंड किया था. तो ओके होगा पेरेंट्स को डाउनलोड करके उनको सेंड कर दिया.
we'll figure it out. बट आप लोग ना, जब भी कोई लिंक ब्लॉक हो रहा है या नहीं पहुंच रहा है, प्लीज सेंड दैट लिंक टू अस, सो विल कम टू नो. वो करो ना, उस चीज को अपने तक मत रखो, उसका सोल्यूशन निकालना है ना. सो वील फिगर इट आउट, हाउ विल एक्चुअली टेल यू ऑल हाउ टू डू इट, राइट. सो वो करना जरूरी है. डोंट रियली कीप इट टिल यू दैट प्रॉब्लम. Let's go ahead further. I just wanted to talk to you all about phonics. So phonics, what we are doing, what we are following is Jolly Phonics, right? And we've actually developed our content, course material, the books specifically for KG and prep right now, because those are the classes which were completely in the stage ki jahan we cannot really afford. Okay, I'll just mute you all. Okay, Sonia, you got to ask somebody to make me host. I'm not the host. I don't know who is the host. Okay, I have to figure it out.
Sasha.
Yeah, no problem, because I got switched out. I got so much. So हमने पूरा कोर्स कंटेंट अकॉर्डिंगली डिजाइन किया है, एंड हेंस वी रियली नीड टू नो कि हम कर क्या रहे हैं. ठीक है, सो लेट्स टॉक अबाउट इट. फोनिक्स इज वेरी सिंपल थिंग, very simple to know, but a little lengthy to practice. It has a, मतलब ये process oriented है. ऐसा नहीं है कि आपने एक दिन में ही सारा सीख जाएंगे या 2 दिन में ही सीख जाएंगे. अगर आपको कोई गारंटी दे रहा है कि आप 2 दिन की वर्कशॉप में फोनिक्स सीख जाओगे, प्लीज do not follow that. Do not believe that. I've been practicing, I've been doing, still I'm learning. I still have my master copies, and I do follow Jolly, so I do order from UK and the places wherein the correct books are available. So the point is, you don't really learn this topic in a day or two. Very first of all, at this stage, what you need to know is this is nothing but the letter sounds. Letter sounds से हम उनको blend मतलब मिक्सी में blend करते हैं ना, so blend करते हैं साउंड्स को, blend करके वर्ड्स बनाने. क्यों? क्योंकि हमारा अल्टीमेट एम क्या है, बच्चा रीड करना शुरू करे. तो आप बोलोगे कि क्या जरूरत है इतना फैंसी बनने की, क्या जरूरत है. we've been learning reading. मुझे पढ़ना आता है, आपको पढ़ना आता है, हम सबको तो पढ़ना आता है. हमने तो नहीं पढ़ा था फोनिक्स, तो फिर क्यों ऐसा कर रहे हो. So my point is, we really took a lot of time to read as compared to the pedagogy or the system what phonics suggests, है ना. So obviously time ज्यादा लगता है उस चीज में. Usually we see, अच्छा कितने साल के बच्चे आपको लगता है कि पढ़ना शुरू कर देते हैं. I'm talking about a simple paragraph. I'm not talking about too many words in paragraph. So can you just tell me कि कितने साल के बच्चे होंगे कि जो पढ़ने लग जाते होंगे इंडिपेंडेंट. ये नहीं कह रही हूँ कि आपने ये कहा दिस इज अ डॉग, ही इज सैम, दिस इज फर्स्ट स्टैंडर्ड के बच्चे पढ़ते हैं, राइट. द एज इज व्हाट इज द एज एट बाय दैट टाइम?
7 to 8 years.
So it is 6 plus, or I can say,
yes,
yeah, it is 6 plus. 8 is done in class 2. ठीक है. So it is 6 plus, yes. So 6 years plus or maybe like 7 was the correct 6 plus. ठीक है. तो हम ऐसे कहते हैं कि 6 plus में पढ़ना शुरू कर रहे हैं. But I actually have experienced and I have actually practiced and experiment and everything that you can actually make कॉन्फिडेंट रीडर. जो आप क्लास 1 बोल रहे हो ना, मैं आपको कह रही हूँ कि 4.5 का बच्चा पढ़ सकता है, मैक्स टू मैक्स 5. मतलब अगर आपका बैकग्राउंड आप बोलते हम इस बैकग्राउंड में हैं, यहाँ बच्चे नहीं कर पाते हैं या जो कुछ भी है ना, आई डोंट बिलीव, आई डोंट डिनाई कि अगर कोई बच्चा किसी ऐसे लेस एक्सपोजर वाली प्लेस पे, लेस एक्सपोजर इन द सेंस इन अ रॉ टर्म इफ आई से रूरल एरियाज में रह रहा है या फिर नॉट सो अर्बन एरियाज लाइक tier 1 cities, so tier 2 tier 3 प्लेसेस पे है, तो वो 5 में पढ़ेगा. मतलब वो बाकी का दूसरा बच्चा शायद 5 6 4 5 महीने पहले जल्दी सीखेगा. However, my experience right now, since I'm taking kids right now the classes, मुझे नहीं लगता है कि कोई डिफरेंस है. मतलब मुझे नहीं पता कि कौन सा बच्चा सेवर से, कौन सा जयपुर से, कौन सा दिल्ली से, कौन सा पुणे से, मुझे नहीं पता है उनके बारे में. I mean, I don't even ask them the place. I just know their names when I'm taking the class. I don't see that anybody who's from any of the rural branch is learning late than the child who's there in Delhi. I don't really see that difference, right? उसका pre-conceived idea है, वो एक अलग बात है. That's fine. But not that कि उसको मैंने जो कराया है वो उसे नहीं आ रहा है. उसको पहले से क्या आ रहा है वो एक अलग चीज है, पर मैं जो करा रही हूँ वो उसको भी आ रहा है, इसको भी आ रहा है. So my only point is, let's not bound that कि मैं यहाँ रहती हूँ तो शायद यहाँ के बच्चे नहीं कर पाएंगे, क्योंकि बहुत सारे आप लोगों में से लोग हैं वो कहते हैं अरे ये क्या है, ये ऐसा कोई नहीं करता है, दिस इज नॉट द पॉसिबल. आशा तुम कहती हो सी सेज इट्स नॉट द पॉसिबल, वो तो कई बोलेंगे. अरे क्यों? That's the sound which is coming from throat. तो वो तो आशा शर्मा की से भी आ सकती है, बच्ची की भी आ सकती है. That's simple. That it's a correct way of saying it, right? I know the tongue twisting का problem होता है. The way Americans speak, we don't speak it. It's fine. But my point is, what is accepted in the Indian scenario, मैं वही बात कर रही हूँ. अब मैं इतनी बातें क्यों कर रही हूँ इस बारे में? क्योंकि at one point now we all have to be on one same page कि यार ये तो accept करना पड़ेगा कि जो टेक्निक हमने लर्न करी थी was not probably the best technique, right? Because उससे हमें कितनी सारी प्रॉब्लम, कितनी सारी कॉपियां भरी थी हमने, right? एक वर्ड को 10 बार लिखा था. हाँ, फिर उसके बाद में हमने उस पर जोक बनाए थे, है ना, कि ये ऐसे करेंगे. मैं एक पुलिस वाला जब टीचर को पकड़ता है बोलता है अभी चलो 100 बार लिखो. मतलब ये सब this comes from experience. You getting that thing? You all remember that joke? My only point over here is that you have to understand that the time is changing and we really need to know the new techniques of reading and writing. Simple, period about it. So nothing as such कि मैं कुछ नई बात बोल रही हूँ, सभी ये बात बोल रहे हैं. Okay, now one more thing I want to tell you all what the phonic does. Phonic is nothing but given a code to decode in the form of reading. मतलब एक कोड है, उसको मैं डिकोड करती हूँ तो मैं रीड करती हूँ. So मेरा कोड is and so that becomes cat. So it's a code which I give it to letter and then we decode it as a CAT, cat. So simple. Each letter has a sound and then that is decoded in the form of what? The word itself. Right. I'm going to share my presentation with you all. A simple say discussion and nothing as such that we are going to. Okay. So, right. So these are the symbols, right? I hope you all can see. You all can actually ask me the questions anywhere, wherever you want, right? I'm perfectly fine stopping anywhere. I'm going to discuss a few things. You all can mute yourself, unmute yourself. It's yes. Somebody is writing something to me. Yeah, I'm doing recording. Okay. So I had given this example मेरे पिछले वाले workshop में भी कि these are the Korean letters, है ना? This is Korean way of writing dog. अभी जब तक मुझे इस बारे में बताया नहीं जाएगा कि ये दो को डॉग कहते हैं, और मुझे क्या पता है, कुछ नहीं पता है, सिर्फ मुझे ये दो सिंबल बता दिए हैं और क्या कह रहे हैं कि इसको डॉग कहते हैं, तो मुझे इसको सीखने के लिए क्या करना पड़ेगा, मुझे इसे बार 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 लिखना पड़ेगा। उसके बारे में कुछ नहीं बताया, सिर्फ सिंबल दे दिए। वही हम इंग्लिश में करते हैं, हम उनके बारे में कुछ नहीं बताते हैं, बताते हैं ये इस तरह से डॉग लिखा जाता है और इस तरह से डॉग लिखा जाता है। अब आप 10 बार लिख लो, आपको लर्न हो जाएगा, राइट? दिस इज हाउ दिस हैपेंस कि इसको डॉग कहते हैं और आप डॉग लिख लो। इसको फिश कहते हैं, FISH 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 FISH। फिर उसके बाद में हम उनको वर्ड सिखाते हैं फैन, FAN FAN FAN। तो ऐसे हम उनको 1000 2000 5000 लाख 2 लाख वर्ड सिखाते जाते हैं, कुछ भूल जाते हैं, कुछ याद आते हैं। फिर हमारा दिमाग है ना, वो जो कहता है वो ये कहता है कि नहीं, मुझे पता है कि F का जैसे ही आप लिखते हो, वो आप जैसे ही बोलोगे तो मैं उसको F लिखूंगा, राइट? तो हमारे दिमाग ने ये बात समझ ली, ठीक है। और ये रिसर्च में रिसर्चर्स ने भी पकड़ लिया, ऑफ कोर्स रिसर्चर्स को भी पता चल गई कि यार जब भी फिश और फैन बोल रहे हैं तो बिगिनिंग में क्या बोल रहे हैं, तो उसको कोड क्या दे दिया उन्होंने, सिंपल। डिकोड करने के लिए क्या करना है, F। उसके बाद में आपने कहा जब भी मैं बोल रही हूँ एप्पल, एंड, एम्बुलेंस, कैट, कैट बोल रही हूँ तो सो दैट मीन्स जब भी मैं बोल रही हूँ तो मेरा कोड क्या हो गया, मेरा साउंड क्या हो गया, ओके। अब आप मुझे ये बात बोलेंगे कि आशा बट देयर आर so many places जहां A does not sound A। ओके, आई एग्री टू दैट। फिर ये बहुत सारे डिस्कशन, बहुत सारी चीजें हुई और उसके बाद में ऑफ कोर्स एक वेल रिसर्च प्रोग्राम बना। उस वेल रिसर्च प्रोग्राम में ऐसा हुआ कि चलो कॉमनली शुरू में जो मोस्ट कॉमन वर्ड्स जो बच्चा पढ़ता है एक सिलेबस में, उसका पहले कैसे हमको उसे कराना है, ठीक है। सो पता चला कि सबसे पहले हम क्या सिखाते हैं, आई वुड लाइक टू आस्क यू ऑल, सबसे पहले हम कौन से वर्ड सिखाते हैं, मतलब 2 letter 3 letter वर्ड्स का नाम बताइए। 2 letter 3 letter वर्ड्स तो पढ़ाते हैं, बट व्हाट आर दोज वर्ड्स, कैन एनीबडी टेल मी? प्लीज अनम्यूट करो अपने आप को और बोलो मुझे, राइट?
एरोप्लेन,
directly I'm talking about reading. Aeroplane is the vocabulary which we give them.
Vowels related words like at, is.
Right. So you said it. Yeah. So those words are called CVC word. Do you all know that? Yes or no? No. What is CVC? Guess, any guess? सोचो, CVC is the CVC word. सोचो, उस वर्ड को सोचो।
Consonant, vowel, consonant.
तो तुम तो चुप रहो, ठीक है। Consonant, vowel and consonant. So there are 3. So basically we teach them CVC words, right? Consonant, vowel, consonant, right? सब में एक vowel होता है, 2 consonant होते हैं, generally pat, in, pin और maybe I. So 3 letter words are CVC words. ओके, सो सबसे पहले फिगर आउट हुआ कि चलो CVC वर्ड्स करते हैं। अच्छा, CVC वर्ड्स जब हम करते हैं, जैसे आपने कहा कि वाल वर्ड्स करते हैं, तो वो वर्ड्स सारे क्या हैं, एक फर्स्ट साउंड जो देते हैं, दैट दे आर कॉल्ड शॉर्ट साउंड्स। व्हाट आर दे कॉल्ड? शॉर्ट वाल साउंड्स। शॉर्ट।
And what is the full form of CVC?
Consonant, vowel, consonant. Consonant, vowel, consonant. C is consonant. A is vowel and T is consonant, right?
Okay.
Right?
Consonant, vowel, consonant. Okay.
Yes. So they are called CVC. बहुत सारी books में देखा होगा. I'm sure you all have come across that, right? We don't really ask questions to ourselves. I'm sure, I'm 100% sure. आपके राजस्थान में भी बहुत सारे publisher, बहुत सारी books हैं जिसमें लिखा रहता है CVC words. है ना? बहुत सारे हैं. It's like if seen words in others, let's write CVC words. So that's how it is, right? We start with the CVC words. और CVC words में जो vowel sound है, which are short vowel sound, शॉर्ट साउंड्स, शॉर्ट क्यों बोल रहे हैं? बिकॉज ए हैज मल्टी, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल मैं आपको बताऊं ए के बारे में, वाल का मोर देन 2 साउंड्स भी हैं, but I'm just telling you all that A has multiple sounds and we teach only the first sound right now. I mean, पहले सबसे पहले हम short sound सिखाते हैं A, right? Then we have A which takes its own name, A, right? Why? Because when you are talking about the word always be, ठीक है, always, right? Alarm, right? There are so many words which in which A is there but not A. तो वो वर्ड्स हम अवॉइड करते हैं. तो आपने एरोप्लेन जो बोला ना, एरोप्लेन, वो हम क्यों नहीं बताते हैं? अभी आपको जो भी बुक्स न्यू वाली आए होंगे या फिर मैंने जो भी आपने केजी की बुक्स देखे होंगे, तो उसमें मैंने एरोप्लेन नहीं यूज किया, बिकॉज एरोप्लेन में क्या साउंड आ रहा है? ए, राइट? एरोप्लेन, इट्स नॉट एरोप्लेन, इट्स एक्चुअली एरोप्लेन. तो एरोप्लेन में एट साउंड नहीं है, इसलिए भी अवॉइड टीचिंग देम एनी वर्ड इन द बिगिनिंग, बिकॉज अल्टीमेटली हमारा गोल क्या है? उनको सीवीसी वर्ड सिखाना सबसे पहले, राइट? सो बिगिनिंग में जितने मोस्ट फ्रीक्वेंसी वर्ड्स की बात होती है, जो सबसे ज्यादा फ्रीक्वेंटली यूज्ड है, दे आर सीवीसी वर्ड्स बिगिनिंग में, राइट? सो दैट्स द रीजन वी टीच देम ए, and the sound of A, E is N, and then the sound is E. So like that is I sound. E, E is ink, ink pen, injection. I have already spoken about it. तो हम आइसक्रीम क्यों नहीं सिखाते हैं बिगिनिंग में? क्योंकि क्यों नहीं सिखाते हैं, मतलब सिखा रहे थे, फोनिक में क्यों नहीं सिखाते हैं? आई एम जस्ट टॉकिंग अबाउट. तो क्यों नहीं सिखाते? क्योंकि आई का साउंड इज ई इन द शॉर्ट फॉर्म. बिकॉज आप क्या सिखा रहे हो? PIN को क्या पढ़ोगे? PIN को क्या पढ़ रहे हो? Anybody? PIN? Tin, fin, right? Bit, hit, E. And अगर आप I से आइसक्रीम सिखाओगे तो क्या करोगे? Height, bite, right? बच्चा तो वही सीखेगा. It is well researched program which decided कि हम पहले क्या सीखेंगे? शॉर्ट वाल साउंड सीखेंगे, शॉर्ट साउंड सीखेंगे जो कि जल्दी फिनिश होता है. शॉर्ट है ना, ए, राइट? ई. सो शॉर्ट साउंड्स है वो. सो शॉर्ट साउंड सीखेंगे एंड बाद में लॉन्ग साउंड सीखेंगे. लॉन्ग साउंड्स को सीखने के लिए हम रूल्स भी, हमारे पास में रूल्स भी. अब मैं वो आज बहुत रैपिडली आप लोग के साथ में डिस्कस करने वाली हूँ. And we are going to then bifurcate, and because you know what, आपको जब तक पूरा overview पता चलेगा ना, we are not going to really understand how to explain it to the parent. Okay, one of the common mistake which मैंने पहले भी point out की थी, please अभी मत करना, whoever is there, please understand, A to Z are English alphabet, and a particular letter is a letter. B is not an alphabet, B is a letter. A to Z are alphabet. ये English alphabet है और ये letter है. Please मत use करो उसको. There are many well-read people I have seen, those who use B as an alphabet. Please don't do that. That's not a correct way of doing it. Okay, I have already discussed this thing. Whole word, dog, 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 dog. एक जो होता है dog, dog, right? So we are going to, what it enables, मैंने ये पहले भी बताया था आपको, it enables you to learn, it enables you to read, the phonic enables you to read these all words very easily at the age of 5. Trust me, to do it from nursery religiously, आपका prep का बच्चा ये सारे words पढ़ पाएगा without any assistance, without writing 2 times also. मेरा point.
हेलो.
Yes. Yes.
आ जाओ, ऐसे अभी चल रही है मीटिंग.
Okay, fine. Somebody is talking to someone else. Okay, so the point is, you have to understand one thing कि अपन लिखने के लिए पढ़ना जरूरी है, लिखने के लिए 10 बार लिखना जरूरी है. अब आप कहेंगे नहीं बहुत बार लिखेगा तो राइटिंग अच्छी हो जाएगी. यार राइटिंग तो अच्छी A to Z लिखते ही हो जाएगी ना, उसको SMOOTH लिखने की जरूरत थोड़ी है 25 बार राइटिंग अच्छी करने के लिए. No, not really, because letter formation पे ध्यान देना है, which we are doing it, of course, which we are doing it. There are a lot of letter formation videos which I am sending you all. Why am I doing that? Because सबसे गड़बड़ जब letter formation की होती है, वो कहाँ होती है कि जब बच्चा ए ऐसे बनाने की बजाय पहले स्टैंडिंग लाइन करेगा, फिर स्लीपिंग, या फॉर्मेशंस में कंफर्टेबली और करेक्टली नहीं फॉर्म करेगा, स्टेप फॉलो अगर नहीं करेगा. So you must have seen in all the books now, or previously also in our nursery books also, of course we had followed the formations. तो फॉर्मेशन पे ध्यान, जब हम लेटर A to Z सिखा रहे हैं या A to Z अल्फाबेट सिखा रहे हैं राइटिंग के लिए, तब दे दो ना. उसके बाद में उसको 10 बार लिखवा के आप उसको नहीं इम्प्रोवाइज करा पाओगे. ठीक है, वी डू बिलीव कि राइटिंग अ पैराग्राफ्स मेक्स द हैंडराइटिंग मोर ब्यूटीफुल. तो उसके लिए हम क्रिएटिव राइटिंग के पेजेस करेंगे, व्हिच आई हैव ऑलरेडी पुट इन द prep की book, and which I'm going to show you all that what all includes in prep book now. We are actually giving them creative writing without any assistance. मैंने उनको paragraphs लिखने के लिए बोला है. So why? Because I want them to really have a writing practice before they to go to class 1. Let's go further. This is always all time my favorite thought, that a child who reads will be adult who thinks. So I really, it stays inside me all the time, and I believe in this. Okay, now what is, so अभी क्या करेंगे? So पहले सीखेंगे, चलो कि है ना क्या साउंड करना है, कैसे सीखना है. चलो ठीक है, हमने मान लिया कि CAT कैट DOG डॉग नहीं करेंगे. चलो आशा नहीं, वी ऑल अग्रीड. बट क्या करेंगे? ठीक है, तो A to Z का लेटर साउंड सिखा सकते हैं. दैट इज वन ऑफ द थिंग्स व्हिच वी आर डूइंग. What happens is, in all the classes, I have not made the abrupt changes, because to accept the changes, gradually, it takes time, right? तो हम सिर्फ letter sound, 26 letter के sound भी सिखा सकते हैं. That is one of the technique which we are using in nursery and KG. And prep, what are we using? And not only prep, I want this to be used in KG next year. This is the introduction कि ये हमने ये वाला technique या ये वाला ऑर्डर, आपका लेटर का ये वाला ऑर्डर मैंने अभी प्रेप में डाला है, हमने अभी प्रेप में डाला है. ये नेक्स्ट ईयर आप यू ऑल हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड कि दिस विल गो इन केजी. तो आपके बच्चे नेक्स्ट ईयर A to Z जिस तरह से अब सीख रहे हैं वैसे नहीं सीखेंगे. मतलब they will actually go right now also. I'm going to actually get into this in this year only. But the point is, next year purely KG is going to start doing this, because मैं ये चाह रही हूँ कि जब बच्चा KG कंप्लीट करे तब रीड करना शुरू. I don't want to really wait till 6 years or 7 years for him to read independently. So, and that is possible because हमारे बच्चे प्ले ग्रुप से सीख रहे हैं हमारे पास में. तो हमारे पास में ऑलरेडी 2 साल है, right? So let's go further and understand this sequence. I have already discussed with you all. और अगर कोई आप लोग new, if you all are new over here, let's understand why this sequence. What is this SAT, IPN, CK, EHR, MD? What is all these things? We all know that there are many of the letters and there are many of the combination of letters, right? AI is the combination of letters. Okay. So there is one technical term which I just want to tell you all. Graphemes and phonemes. ठीक है, जो sound होते हैं ना, जिसको हम sound एक general language में बोल रहे हैं, they are called phonemes. Phonemes, okay? And जो letters होते हैं, उनको technical term में बोलते हैं graphemes, right? So graphemes and phonemes. आपको नहीं उस चीज को learn करके रखना. I'm just giving you as a phonic trainer. I need to really tell you these correct words, right? So we say letter symbol, which is letter itself, and the sound, which is the sound, that is phoneme, right? So phonic is come from the phoneme sound, right? So let's understand why SAT-IPN and why not A to Z. Okay, can anybody answer me, those who have attended, why not SAT, why not A to Z क्यों नहीं कर रहे हैं? Anybody? Quickly, बहुत आगे जाना है. आज मुझे बहुत सारे sounds कराने हैं, बहुत सारा doubts clear करना है. क्यों क्या करना है? In fact, I want to show you all the book also. Anybody? शिवनगर बहुत सारे लोग हैं, बहुत सारे पहले वाले लोग हैं. लवीना, where are you?
हेलो.
हाँ.
बहुत सारे वर्ड्स इन कॉम्बिनेशन से बनते हैं.
करेक्ट, बहुत सारे वर्ड्स इन फर्स्ट कॉम्बिनेशन से बनते हैं. ओके, अभी इसका सिंपल एक्सप्लेनेशन फिर से जैसे मैं हर बार देती हूँ कि आप ABCDEF से वर्ड्स बनाओ। 2 मिनट सोचो अपने माइंड में, राइट? ABCDEF से क्या क्या वर्ड बन सकते हैं? क्विकली 2-4 जन बोल सकते हैं। हाँ, AB नहीं, वर्ड्स मतलब इन 6 लेटर को मिला के वर्ड। मतलब you have to only use ABCDEF to make the words. Do that.
Ma'am, not more than 10 words.
Okay. Anybody else? Just tell me the words.
Ma'am,
EAD bad.
bad, cat, bad,
bad,
FED bad, FAB bad, BAD bad,
Cab, had, dad,
DAB dad.
बस ज्यादा नहीं बनेंगे।
ज्यादा नहीं बनेंगे। अच्छा, SATIPN से बनेंगे?
Yes, ma'am.
बनेंगे?
Yes, ma'am.
बनेंगे ना?
Sad.
So कितने बनेंगे? लास्ट टाइम मैंने बताया था।
Ma'am, I think so about 30. About 30.
ट्राई करो थोड़ा बहुत। कितने बन सकते हैं? जल्दी बोलते जाओ, बनाते जाओ, बोलते जाओ। तब तक मैं एक बुक ढूंढ रही हूँ।
SAT, SAT, EINT, IT, it's 10, SAT,
Good. अच्छा।
P and 10,
आए ना फटाफट वर्ड्स
P
आए
and
ना
pen,
दिमाग में? Right.
SIT,
PIG fig,
बिल्कुल।
SIT,
pin,
SIT,
हो गया। ये वाकई
NIP, NIP.
हाँ, देखा ना, मान गए ना इस बात को कि बहुत सारे words।
SAT sit,
हाँ, so this is the research, right? This is what? This is the research which says कि हम इस कॉम्बिनेशन से बहुत सारे वर्ड्स बना सकते हैं कंपैरेटिवली अल्फाबेटिकल ऑर्डर से। ठीक है, अल्फाबेटिकल। अच्छा, मुझे एक बात बताओ, अल्फाबेटिकल ऑर्डर सिखाने का फायदा क्या है? एनीबॉडी? फायदा क्या है? क्यों सिखा रहे हो?
to memorize.
तो हमने तो मेमोरी पे पहले ही बात कर ली ना, टू ओनली मेमोराइज दी लेटर्स। हाउएवर द फोनिक सेज कि आपको मेमोराइज नहीं करना है, प्रैक्टिस करना है। और जब आप प्रैक्टिस करेंगे साउंड्स को तो आपको ऑलरेडी, अच्छा वही वाली बात है, क्योंकि हमें क्या सिखाना था? DOG डॉग, CAT कैट, PIG पेज, ये सिखाना था ना, इसलिए हमने उसको मेमोराइजेशन पे फोकस किया। यू आर गेटिंग दैट थिंग? बट द टेक्निक ओवर हियर इज कि अभी तो हमको उसको साउंड सिखाना है, राइट? बच्चे को तो कैसे करें? we have tried, tested this order and found out कि ABCDEF से वर्ड्स ज्यादा नहीं बनेंगे, कि ABCDEF से बेटर हमको कॉम्बिनेशंस मिल रहा है SATIPN and whatever the further groups are. अच्छा, I'm going to show you all the book what we have now for prep, which we are giving them and how it is designed. I'm going to show you all because I think this has not reached to everybody till now. It's so definitely printed. I'm going to show you all. So these are the pages which we have given them. So to say the letter sound, which you all know, and these three of these pictures have sound in them. Cross out the one that does not. मतलब इन 4 पिक्चर में से 3 पिक्चर में साउंड है एंड एक में नहीं है। अभी देखो बॉल गेम पूरा चेंज है। S for sun, S for sun, S for sun नहीं करना है, राइट? बॉल गेम क्या कहता है? Now the game says कि you have to just say the word, identify wherever you can hear the sound, and that's the sound which has sound. That's it. हमको सिर्फ साउंड पहचानना है। इन 3 में से किस में नहीं है? Can you just tell me which is the word?
Ball.
Not ball. So there is a word which is sun,
ball,
snail, spider. How do you read this? Sun,
sun,
snail, spider. Understand the reading is very important for helping them to pronounce correctly, right? So that's one of the things. Now we have A sound, right? So A sound, that is A. I actually had to, it's so this is not a correct PDF. I'm just showing you. This is 3 of these pictures have an a sound. This is not n. It is in the correct in the book. It is corrected. A sound in them. Cross out the one that does not. Right. So bell. अभी आप बैल बोलोगे तो फिर आया हो जाएगा उसके अंदर. So that's the reason what you have to say. Bell. 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 There is a difference between a, right? So it's bell. Arrow. Right.
Ant.
That's ant. Apple. Right. So which does not have a sound? Word bell, right? The picture bell. And अच्छा आपने देखा ये मैंने क्या किया है यहाँ पर? I'm going to show you all with my this thing. What is this? Can you all see this? ये क्या बनाया है? आपको पता होना चाहिए. आपके बच्चे के पास में ये बुक जाने वाली है. टीचर्स को पता होना चाहिए. सेंटर है. ये क्या है? डॉट्स है. ये क्या है? ये है डॉट्स. हाँ, इनको क्या कहेंगे? साउंड डॉट्स. क्या कहेंगे? साउंड डॉट्स. बच्चा इस डॉट पे पेंसिल रखेगा और उस साउंड को बोलेगा. Getting that thing? So this is how it works. You know, it is that easy. It's not really very difficult to remember, right? So whenever you see that, you have to actually say the sound. Whenever you see the dots under a letter, you have to say the sound, right? Let's move further. Now the sound of S is S. The action is S, and the letter A is 1 minute. The A is A. You must see this kind of action also. That's completely fine, right? It's A. I'm just saying the sound. हाँ जी
मैम पहले वाले पिक्चर में एस क्यों था वहां पे?
कहाँ?
पहले ए के साथ यस क्यों था?
Because we have already done S, right? We have already done S sound. बता रही हूँ, आगे बता रही हूँ. Then we have done A sound, तो हम S को भी रिवाइज कर रहे हैं, A को भी रिवाइज कर रहे हैं. आगे देखना, ठीक है? Then we have learned T sound, that is sound, right? So then I am able to make words very clearly. आपको पता है आपकी प्रेप की क्लास में those who have come in, मैंने उनको 3 साउंड करवा दिए हैं और मैंने उनको 1 वर्ड भी. It's just the second week and we have started reading 3-letter words. This is how. At, sat. I did this practice this time just to give them the. That's what I want to tell you all. That बच्चे तो इस तरह से कर रहे हैं. इसलिए था कि ये साइड में जो लिखा है ना मैम, वो है कि जैसे जैसे हम एक एक सीखते जा रहे हैं वैसे वैसे उससे जो वर्ड्स बनते जाएंगे, जिस तरह से बनते जाएंगे वो हम उसी वक्त सीखते जाएंगे. We are not going to wait. We are not going to wait for the 26 letters to complete to make the spellings and read the words and to write the words. We are going to do that. Every 6 sounds के बाद में जो first group आया था, उसके बाद में I'm going to show you this book. That's what my aim was, to show you this book and take you through the book, because you know that what do they have it. So it is act. You all can revise it with me. Act. So then it is act. So there are 3. So and there are 3 sounds. So sometimes we do it like this. Simple. 3 sounds, 3 claps, or 3 sound, 3 dots. अभी clap होगा ना तो बच्चे बहुत clap करेंगे और sound नहीं सुनेंगे. But when I'm physically there in the class, I actually do the claps also. Completely fine to do this. Act. Simple. 3 sound, 3 clap. So you need to understand, right? Okay. So act. अभी act बच्चा sat नहीं बना पाएगा, मैं बता रही हूँ. You have to teach them the technique of.
Payment और इसका
You need to teach them the. Okay, okay. Can I just have the? Okay. I think I got to mute. Okay. So I'm going to show you all the technique of reading as well. Please, I get the pencil. Yeah, I do get the pencil. Yes. Okay, this is one of the things which I've started exploring. Okay, let me see how does it work. Okay, maybe. So, okay. Then I need the dots actually. Okay, that's fine. So I think what we need is put the pencil on S and go to the next sound. S matlab put the pencil on S, go to A and then till sat. Don't leave S sound till the time you reach the next sound. Sat. Sat. You getting that thing? This is how we actually need them to read. Once they know the blending, they'll be able to do the blending of all the sounds on their own. That's not a very difficult thing. Okay, now, actually, this is a tricky worksheet. Now I want you all to understand. You all have to answer me. Huh? So these are the 4 pictures, and one of them does not have a T sound or T sound in them, right? So this is teddy bear, right? Do you all know that this is teddy bear? Yes, we all know that this is teddy bear, right? So I don't know why this is not getting selected. It should be. Okay, I don't know. This is something weirdly behaving. Okay, anyways. So I'm canceling this, right? So there is one. Okay, yeah, this is one of the things which is my favorite, right? So it's teddy bear. Okay, it's tortoise. It's not tortoise, right? We all make सब मुझे doubt करेंगे, but please doubt मत करना. Go to dictionary में Oxford वगैरह का कोई भी online app है, उसमें जाके देख लो. What is the British pronunciation, or like what is the British English pronunciation, or Indian English pronunciation also. I think, I don't know, I usually definitely watch that. So it's tortoise, right? It's not tortoise. That's the word tortoise. And it's sun. And if you call it badminton, still it has that sound. But if you call it tennis racket, of course, which is, right? So it is in the beginning. अच्छा, ये एक trick है which I want to tell you all, everybody, that prep में I'm not going to ask them only जो कि beginning sound है. पूरे में कहीं भी जो sound है वही उनको identify करना है, which I'm going to go next, right? थोड़ा सा tricky है, थोड़ा सा समझेंगे तो you'll come to know. I'm going to give you the examples of it, right? So it's E sound, which is E, right? Not I. So igloo, arrow, ink pot, and insects. E. And then I can make the word eat, because I have already learned sound. So now I can make the word it, I can make the word at, I can make the word sat, I can make the word sit. Is that clear? Correct. Now we are on the next sound, which is अच्छा, ये आप बोलेंगे, why Asha you say it like, why not p? Because आप imagine करो, p, e, न, pain हो जाएगा. You're getting that thing? क्योंकि आपने p के साथ में क्या ऐड कर दिया है? Pain. It's not e, pin. Understand that. It's not about pure sounds. These are called the pure sounds. Because आपने लगा दिया तो उस को पढ़ना है ना? Pain, pain. It won't go in a pin, because this is how the pure sounds are spoken, right? So it is eat, hit, act, pat, app, tap. Abhi tap mein bhi, when you say tap, you have the sound, right? It's not only ki beginning wala sound dhaan dena hai. So this is pencil, tortoise, parrot, and pig. So T, the child, the child will not circle or cross it out. The sound is Can you all practice it with me? The palate goes on, the tongue touches your palate and it says nasal sound. It is nap. Okay, now I want somebody to read it. The next words. Anybody? Come on, Shilpi. I can see you. Pado. And ko pado. The way.
Okay.
To. Okay, that's
to. Sorry.
It's okay. It's okay. No. It's fine. Completely fine. So it's ant, right? Ant. Now I want others to also read. Anybody who's going to volunteer it, and actually I have a lot of things open in front of me. Jyoti, chalo. Jyoti, next word. Yeah, it's, you can say it. Yes, you can. You got to unmute, Jyoti, yourself. Yeah. You're muted. Yeah, correct. Now say it. It's fine. You do it at least, right?
No, pen.
Right. It's pan. Right. Right. Perfect. Good. Good going. Okay. Who's next? Neha.
No.
Neha. Right. Tin. Tin. Correct. Let's do that. Now next. So SATIP and the group 1 finishes. And then we have these pages for them. Can you all see that? Right? Okay. Right. Prachi, can you just ask somebody to get me some water first? Just, I'm here. I need some water. Right. So the words are IT, SIT, PIT. I'm not going to read them like that. You have to read. Okay, who is going to read this? Jaldi padho yaar, first group ke words. I can see some of you. Who's Bhavya? Bhavya? Who's Bhavya? Teacher? Yeah. Right. Try it out. Bhumi, who's Bhumi Chaudhary? Sorry. Chandrul? Bhumi? Can you just read it?
Yes, ma'am.
I want you to see any of the word. Now there are 4 letter words also. Somebody can try that out. Lavina, where are you lost? Lavina, dikhai de rahi ho? Padho.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, start.
Sure, ma'am. Third, second line.
Any word, whichever you like.
Okay. I'll start from the first letter. Itch.
Perfect.
Sit.
Okay, can you try reading SPIT? I mean the 4-letter word.
Okay.
Right. So then what happens? Yes. So it is SP. Now there is a trick which I want to give you all. Right? जब हम इस word को पढ़ाते हैं बच्चे को, right? I just want to mute you all because मुझे थोड़ा सा आवाज आ रही है. Eat, spit. ठीक है? SP is a quicker. जल्दी blend करना है उसको. तो हम क्या करते हैं? ये अभी आपने blends पढ़ा है ना? CL, PL ये पढ़ाते हो ना? Clear words, blur word, blur words उनको blends कहते हैं ना? So they are consonant blends. Consonant. S and P are consonant, right? उसको हम क्या करते हैं? SP को circle भी करने को बोलते हैं बच्चे को. तो जो भी circle है तो 2 sound, पर circle है तो उसको क्या करना है? जल्दी पढ़ना है. Sp, 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 eat, sp, eat, spit. उसको साथ में पढ़ना है. SP को साथ में पढ़ना है. This is a technique to read blends. Sp, eat, spit. Eat, spit is correct. But वो बच्चा क्या बोले? Spit. You know, it will take time. So blends are also taught like that. और प्लीज आपके बच्चे ना ये नेक्स्ट 6 दिन में करने वाले हैं. So इसीलिए I wanted to tell you all कि they are going to do that because we are going to practice with them like that. And this is a page number. I just want to also show you all the page number. That it is not something which I have kept it. It's just the page number 12 of your book. So that means so much in the beginning. The kids are going to do that, right? So snap. Sna is a blend. जो quickly पढ़ते हैं. Sna, app, snap. तो उसको साथ में पढ़ेंगे. Sna, app, snap. Getting that thing? Okay. Moving further on the next group, I just want to show you all quickly. ये groups क्या है? Because we are already at 12:44, and I'm just going to wind up in some time because we're going to continue. So group 4. So this is how the book works. This book is completely going to go like this, right? So this all the sounds we keep on doing. Okay. Now there's a word kiss, right? I have which is. I don't know, people will say, oh, kiss is it's a normal word. Kids know it, that we kiss our mama, we kiss this thing. So please don't freak out seeing this word. Huh? I have put this word, and which is commonly used in our day-to-day life. That's completely fine, right? So the word kiss. अभी आप बोलोगे कि आशा, अच्छा ये आपने dots को observe किया है? Everybody, please, those who are really listening to me, I'm going to ask you this question. And those are not listening, it's fine. They can learn on their own also. But those who want to really learn today, I want to also tell you all that, did you all observe one thing? कि सब words के, सब letters के नीचे dot है. But, देखा है आपने? I want to just zoom in and show you all if you can. Can you all see it? Okay, how many dots you can see under SACK?
3 dots.
Why? क्या है ये?
Because C and K is blend.
No, CK is not a blend. ना darling. CK is a blend. That's a different thing. यहाँ क्या है? मैं बता दूँ.
It's make a same sound.
Yes, the sound is
the
same.
Sound is the same.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. So it is. तीन sound है ना? 3 sound, 3 dots. जितने sound उतना dot. Simple.
Okay.
You don't read. Ack. Do you read like that? Ack.
No.
नहीं ना? Ack.
Same sound.
Eek. Pick. Simple. Done. So 3 sound है, 3 dot है. These are sound dots. You understand? मैंने पहले भी बोला कि these are sound dots. Now I'm going to show you all the word kiss. Right? What do you say kiss? Kiss. Simple. Double S है तो भी क्या है sound? एक. उसको क्या बोलेंगे हम लोग? We in fun में we say it is double trouble. जब double trouble मतलब sound same जिसका 2 letter 2 बार आएगा, but trouble क्या है? Sound क्या लेना है? एक ही. So that is a trouble for them. Okay, we don't have to say. We have to say kiss. Grass. Bluff. Puff. We have only one sound, right? That is a puff. Simple, right? So this, I wanted to bring it to your notice कि this is the rule, right? एक जैसा मैंने बताया circle करते हैं, स्न को जल्दी पढ़ना है तो circle करना है, sound dots का rule बताया, right? I just wanted to show you all. Okay, now this is something which is my favorite. Again, the sound of E, which is most tricky to make sometimes for the, we the adults. Right. So it's not A. A is AI sound. It's A. Okay. Yes. EH लिख लो. है ना? याद करने के लिए EH लिख लो कहीं पर. A. Right. It's not A. Right. It's A. S. So you don't have to throw the breathe out, but yes, A. And A. Right? Set. What is this? अच्छा इसमें किस answer me. Three of these pictures have an A sound. Cross out the ones that does not. किसमें नहीं है A sound? बताओ. Tell me.
Elephant. Ant.
और बाकी के में है ना? हेन में है कि नहीं है साउंड? ए का है ना, बिगिनिंग में नहीं है,
Yes,
मिडिल
sir.
में तो है। मैंने
Yes, ma'am.
सिर्फ हाँ, द क्वेश्चन वाज 3 of these have a sound in them, मिडिल में होने दो, does not matter। मैं क्या चाह रही हूँ कि आप आइडेंटिफाई करो उसको। This is how it works for nursery and KG। what do? is we just give them the beginning sound, but for prep we actually give them the middle में भी sound, so that when you are writing pet, बच्चों को पता चलेगा ए बोला तो क्या लिखना है, ई। पैन बोला तो क्या लिखना है, ए। पिन बोला तो क्या लिखना है बीच में, आई। राइट। put is another that's a tricky word, वो मैं दिखाने वाली हूँ, so that's not something which you are doing it। so but right, बोला तो क्या लिखना है, you, because you says a। सबसे पहले तो sound सीखो, right? so it's very important because but that is used means, so whenever I say a, what comes in my mind is you, not a, right? So this is tent, right? You understand this 4-letter words. This is page number 17, and where have we gone? We've actually gone making so many words. We've actually gone reading so many words. अभी आप बोलोगे कि मैम ये तो है ना सब आपने रीडिंग लिख दिया, ये बच्चा वर्ड लिखेगा कहाँ पर? मेरे पास बुक है, उसका भी दिखा दूँ, बुक वाली। जो राइटिंग लवर्स हैं उनके लिए भी मेरे पास सोल्यूशन है। I hope I have that book now. I should have this. मेरे हाथ में तो है। Let me see that. Okay. I have that book, but I have the final book with me. Okay, I just want to show you all before. No, I just don't need it. I need the PDF of this book. Okay, so now where here you can see this book, writing skill ka PDF. Right. So by the time I can show them in this. So what are we doing is in the writing skill, वो reading skill की book है, that is learning engagement, I have named it as, right? This book is which calls a writing skill. We actually starting again with this series, that is S, they are going to write it because अभी ये बोलेंगे आशा तुमने लिखवाया है, because यार आपके बच्चों ने केजी में ना लोअर केस लेटर्स लिखे ही नहीं है, तो मैं लोअर केस लेटर को पढ़ाना है, because मेरे को पढ़ाना क्या है, उनको पढ़ाना तो लोअर केस लेटर से ही है ना, यही सब पढ़ाना है, एंड उनको लिखना आता नहीं है लोअर केस लेटर, सो हमने शुरुआत की लोअर केस लेटर से फिर, है ना? सो S, right? Then they are going to write S, they are going to write A, there they are going to do the worksheet of reading, or they are going to do the writing skill, okay? And I'm going to, when SATIPN finishes off, because एक parent का ना question था कि मैम S करा दिया, आप तो ABCD हो गया क्या सारा? मैंने कहा नहीं, sequence ही है. Now here I have kept some pages. Can you see this page? Wherein they are going to write those words which they have learned in reading skills, right? जो अभी हमने discuss किया, वो words वो यहाँ पर भी लिखेंगे, पर मैंने कोई ऊपर कुछ नहीं लिखा है. Please, they are going to write it independently. This is spelling bee. So when you are going to say them, they are going to write S-A-T, right? When I'm going to say eat, right? P-I-T, they are going to write. So these all words, we are going to take them as a dictation. Also, we are going to, so a lot of dictation pages are given. You can see that. So they're going to actually write those words independently when you say the sounds. Do you all understand that? Any questions regarding that? Any questions regarding that? I hope no. Right? I'm going further. And I'm going to show you 1 minute. The same book again. Not my dinosaurs. Right. So this is what this order of the book is the same as this order. Okay. Now what I have done is, कितने सारे words हैं जो कि phonic rule नहीं follow करते, राइट. सारे वर्ड्स तो फोनिक साउंड रूल फॉलो नहीं करते हैं. सो जब फोनिक साउंड रूल फॉलो नहीं करते हैं, जब फोनिक साउंड रूल फॉलो नहीं करते हैं तो कैसे लर्न करेंगे उनको? जैसे कि आप मुझे बताइए, नाउ यू कैन टेल मी, ओके, you can tell me the word I, or you can say I. So I देखते ही बच्चा क्या बोलेगा? क्या बोलेगा? क्या सिखाया हमने उसको? E, right? So I is a non-phonic word, right? So that we have to teach them as a tricky word. क्या सिखाते हैं? Tricky words. Tricky words trick them. Tricky words actually trick them, trick us, right? So इसलिए हमने उसका एक bunch of group बनाया. Somebody's okay. So एक words in words का bunch बनाया क्योंकि उसके बिना you can't really make the sentence. Okay. T-O. What? T-O. Now as per the rule, what is the sound of T? As per the rule, what is the sound of T? I'm waiting. What is the sound of O? What is the sound of O? O. So to थोड़ी पढ़ रहे हैं. T-O को क्या पढ़ रहे हो आप? टू पढ़ रहे हो ना? राइट. सो क्या है? फिर तो ये गड़बड़ है. तो फिर बच्चा बोलेगा ये क्या हो रहा है? सो हमने उसको ग्रुप बनाया and we told कि no, some of the words are very tricky and then they trick us and we put them in a one group and we teach them as per the tricky words. अब मैं tricky words के बारे में बताती हूँ. Tricky words, there are 72 tricky words which we have divided in groups. तो सबसे पहले frequently जो use होते हैं उसको एक ग्रुप में डाला है. ठीक है. अभी आपने SATPIN वाले वर्ड्स पढ़ाए. ठीक है. उसके बाद में बच्चा सिर्फ वर्ड्स ही पढ़ रहा है. ये तो तब तक वर्ड्स, लेकिन सेंटेंस मेकिंग की बात आती है तो क्या करेंगे? आप ट्रिकी वर्ड सिखाएंगे. मैं आपको ट्रिकी वर्ड सिखाऊं. Let me show you all the tricky word tree. So we have put them in a tree and we are going to, these are the tricky words. Look at this. So these are the tricky words. Was, right? So was. Acha, why you thinking was is a tricky word? W says wa. A says a, and S says s. Am I saying was? No, it's was.
No.
Right? So आप tricky words कैसे सीखेंगे? Tricky words भाई हमारे traditional method से सीखेंगे. C, copy and cover. That means आप देख के लिखो, cover कर दो उसको. Write and check, फिर लिखो, फिर check करो मैंने correct लिखा है कि नहीं. Practice. It's just the practice. The way we do it, 10 बार लिखना. 10 बार लिखा सकते हो, नहीं तो 4 बार में आ जाएगा बच्चे को. जितना दिखाओगे, कोई भी स्पेलिंग सीखने का भी अगर आपको मेमोराइज करनी है, इट्स अ मेमोरी व्हिच यू हैव टू प्ले इन ट्रिकी वर्ड्स. जब भी कोई स्पेलिंग आपको मेमोराइज करनी है, उसको जितनी बार देखोगे, जितनी बार ओरली रिवाइज करोगे, उतनी बार उसको आप सीख पाओगे. अगेन मैं बोलती हूँ, उसको लिखने की जरूरत कम होती है, देखने की और पढ़ने की जरूरत ज्यादा होती है. इट्स अ साइट व्हिच प्लेज मोर रोल, है ना. ऑल. A says a, L says L का तो साउंड ठीक है, but it's not L, it's all, it's the, it's I, not E, it's R, E का साउंड A, R-A. I'm not saying that. So me, A होना चाहिए था, but this is a tricky word. This says me, we, B. So these are words which we teach them, and these all words actually will help them to make the sentences. I am, is also a tricky word, single right? I am a cat. Say something. Not a cat, but I'm just saying it. So I am a cat. phonic words are there in this? I am a cat. Right? Tell me. How many phonic words? जो rule follow कर रहे हैं ऐसे कितने words हैं? Am a. हाँ. Am is a phonic word. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ.
Cat.
And cat. So 2 words are phonic. But मैंने उनको क्या सिखाया है? I लिखना भी सिखा दिया है, पढ़ना भी सिखा दिया है, अ भी बताया है. We are going to actually teach them a as a word also. ठीक है? This is actually gone up. So there are so many words which will come in the second group, but we can teach them in the beginning also, and that they learn very. Or can actually they just say a. I am a cat, but we say it, I am a cat, right? So this is one thing which I wanted to show you all, that this is how we are going to go ahead teaching them phonics in prep. That we do the sounds, and we with the sounds we actually go with the groups SATIPN, and then we do the keywords, we do the blending activities, and this is how it happens, right? This was the overview of it. Okay, to learn the sounds of each letter, we've got to meet again, because it won't be possible that we can cover it all in one class. So we can meet again, and then we just concentrate. This is why I wanted to put it up in this manner today and show you all. Let me show you all the second book also, because I have the PDF of it. Why am I showing you these books? Because you are actually dealing with the parents, और parent पूछता है कि ये क्यों करवाया है, तो please now you have the answer. Please don't say it कि ऐसे ही करवाते हैं. Don't give this kind of answer. मैं आपको ऐसा आंसर नहीं दे रही हूँ, तो आप भी ऐसा आंसर मत दो. 1 minute, let me see the book. Just give me 1 minute. By the time, please, you all can ask me any questions. Any questions what you have?
Excuse me, Asha ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, kids are demanding that why Asha ma'am don't take class. Asha ma'am, where is Asha ma'am? Ma'am, my own daughter is also said कि Asha ma'am कहाँ गए? मैंने कहा don't know बेटा, मैम यही पढ़ाएंगे.
That is one thing I realized.
Kids are demanding for you.
There was one child who was not ready to. I was like 4 बार मुझे enter होना पड़ा class में.
Yes, ma'am. Bhavik.
I'm here. Don't worry. Chill. Take a chill pill, because it happens. But then it's not. One thing I just would like to really tell, that I don't really call it only I take the classes. We all are taking classes together. Sonia, I, Pragati, Prachi, and Shreyanshi. So we all are taking the classes every day. We all are there in one class. भले ही हमारा effort कहीं ना कहीं अलग है. So we all do one class के लिए all do preparations together. We discuss and all. So I think that message is reaching out very well to everybody, that the online classes are interesting. I'm very happy. I mean, I can see everybody jumping around and dancing, and they don't have any of this thing. I don't think so. They are not learning. There were a beginning when we started, at the apprehension was like, नहीं सीखते online में कैसे सीखेंगे? मैंने कहा कि नहीं, ऐसे देखते हैं, करके देखते हैं. So obviously we did it before also, and they were learning. But I think when we are doing it from here, because it's controlled and it's like completely strategized over here, so we know it, like how to attract them, and when you know that how to attract them, it's all done. So they are all yours. So no problem at all going on, and like we are increasing in numbers every day. Nurseries are also many. मैंने 1000 बार ये बात सुनी थी. सोनिया, नहीं, हमने सुना था ना बिगनिंग में कि नर्सरी नहीं करेगा, और आप कोई आके देखो जो बोल रहा है नर्सरी नहीं करेगा. प्लीज आज कभी भी नर्सरी कितना बैठता है ये देखो. आई मीन शिल्पी खुद एक
यस मैम, मेरी डॉटर ने तो मेरे अपने फादर को भी बताया. फादर ने बोला बनाना नहीं पापा, बनाना.
बनाना. So that's how it is. So नहीं बैठता है. This is.
It's working.
It works. It's come on. They are also adapting it ना. Adaptation में time लगता है. कोई भी adaptation suddenly बारिश आ जाती है तो कैसे हम लोग भी adapt करने में time लगाते हैं. Suddenly सर्दियां आ जाती है तो कैसे होता है. Adaptation है. बच्चों के लिए भी ये चीज adaptation है. So this is how it happens. I'm going to show you all this book ka PDF one more time, because not this one, the other one which I was showing you all personally on the in front. So this is the book looks like, right? So this is a writing book. So we've named it as writing skill, and we're going to go ahead like that. If you all want to see KG books, which if you don't have it, I can show you all on that also on screen. But I think all of you have seen it. And that is completely again based on phonics. कि किस तरह से we are doing it, because that's going A to Z order में, मतलब A to Z वाला order है. But now this is eggplant. कोई इसको ब्रिंजल बोल के गलत मत बताना कि eggplant है वो. So इसलिए मैंने उसको E के साथ में रखा है. Excuse me. I just want to show you all the tricky words which are coming here. How do we do the tricky words? Tricky words are done after 3 groups. I want to show you all one more. Oh, this is how the tree looks like. We're going to have the tree over here. So these are the words which we do in the first batch. I, she, he, right? They actually learn it like that. And then they write it again. Then they write it in the writing school book also. They write it in the reading book also, learning engagement book also. Books are designed. तो आपको पता होना चाहिए कि बुक में क्या है. Why I'm saying it? Because please बिल्कुल confuse नहीं होना. I know this is confusing to anybody who does not know phonics. कि ये क्या हो रहा है, ये क्या tricky words है, ये कहाँ आगे चलता जा रहा है, और S से शुरू हो रहा है, बाद में A हो रहा है. It's all here and there because there is a behind it, right? Okay, the page is like 1 minute. I just want to show you one very important thing which I wanted to show you, which I skipped. Everybody, please, because next time जब मैं बैठूंगी तो book नहीं दिखाऊंगी. Page number 90. Right, 1 minute. I just want to show you. Okay, the book, page number 70. Okay, let me go. Okay, so they are going to write the words like this. I'm going to show you this. Okay, so this is a diagram. अभी हमने सीखा कि 26 लेटर कैसे साउंड होते हैं. फिर आप मेरे को कह रहे हो कि आशा कि ए का तो साउंड सिर्फ ए नहीं है. मैं मुझे पता है कि नहीं है. So what is this next sound? When the letter takes its own name. A. What is the name of the letter? A. And that's a long sound. ठीक है. अब हम prep को ही long sounds भी सिखाते हैं. So what is the first word? Can you all tell me the first word? Look at the picture and tell me the first word. Rain. Okay. So the word is rain. A-I makes the sound A. What is the main sound? And the action is A. जब आपको difficulty है सुनने में. A. Right? This is how we teach them. This is A is like this. A is like this. A. Right. जब आपको सुनने में वो होता है, my heart, I was in pain. A. The song goes like, right? So we do a lot of songs which you all know that, right? So rain. Rain. This is how the word completes, right? Now what's the next word? Can you all just guess it?
Sail.
Bot.
Sail.
Bot.
Sail. Sail. No, boat no. That is not OA word. And boat का है भाई, ये ship है.
No.
So sail.
Sail.
A. Sail. Correct? What is this? What is the third word? मेरे prep वाले करने वाला आपको आना चाहिए. Aha.
Arrow.
Aim. That's A. Aim. The word makes it. What's the next word? Paid. Very good. Very good. Paid. 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 I paid the amount. Why do you think I have chosen these words? Because we actually use these words in the day-to-day life, right? Paid. Now, what is the next word?
Pen.
It's not pen. It's pain. हाँ, तो अभी जिसका भी accent का problem है, जो भी struggle करते हैं, of course it's fine. हाँ, regional accent जो है, which will go away, is pain. My head is paining. Right. I have pain in my head. Right. What is the next word?
Brain.
Right. सब सीख रहे हैं भाई. अच्छा लगता है. And now what is the next word? What is this word? After brain. Nail. What's the next word?
Grain.
Perfect. What is the next word?
Pain.
Easy. Looks nice. Sounds good. Right. Yes. And these are the activities which we have given them. Cut and paste wala activities are also there. Then we have given them the page so you can take the dictation over there. Now again, this is right. So make the words which is like now. Paid. Hail.
Paint.
Got to practice this.
PIRN.
Got to practice. Then उसके बाद में हमारे पास में word आता है, which is again very nice and interesting, is this. Now अभी हमने जाना कि obviously what sound है, right? Okay. I think I can go on. Thank you. Right. So thank you sir. Always for this encouragement. मुझे लग रहा है सब बोर हो रहे हैं, मुझे बंद करना है क्या? So जब बंद करना हो तो बता देना ना. So I'm okay with it. So right. No. It goes a little over because obviously I can go on and on with this. So now we've already learned that A says A and A. ठीक है? Long and short सीख लिया ना? AI में A and pan में A. So short and long. अभी O. O says O. Right? Of course. Hot. लेकिन OA जब होगा तब क्या हो जाएगा? O. It will take its own name. अच्छा, rule and technique बहुत easy है. Technique है, rule नहीं है. हर जगह apply नहीं होता, but most of the places. When two vowels walk together, जब दो vowels साथ में चलते हैं, याद रखना. When two vowels walk together, first one takes its name. पहले वाला अपना नाम लेता है. ठीक है? समझा? O and A में क्या हो रहा है? O sound है, क्योंकि O and A साथ में चल रहे हैं. और पहले वाला क्या बोल रहा है? O. दूसरा वाला चुप है. This is the trick. So, R-O-D. Road. It's simple. Road. ठीक है? O. Simple. O says O. Right? O. The action is this. Right? Right. Toad. अच्छा सब इसको frog सोचे. Toad. Right? The word is toad. Right, it's toad. You can say toad, actually. So, toad. Understood?
Toad.
So,
goat.
This is OA. Goat. अभी goat आप भूल जाओगे, because आपको क्या याद रखना है? OA क्या बोल रहा है? Right. So, goat. Not got. राइट, यही ट्रिक है। प्रोनाउंसिएशन कैसे ठीक होता है, इसी तरह से ठीक होता है, बिकॉज वी नो ओ एंड ए जब ना, इट्स गोट, 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 ओ we have to say yes, goat, boat, oats, oats, o a का sound है o, because when two vowels are walking together, first one takes its name. All the places it's not applicable, because for o a I it's fine. It's all the places it's not. Oats. Trick I'm telling you all, है ना, शुरू में हम ये बच्चों को ट्रिक बताते हैं. Okay. Okay, now next. अब ये क्या है, तो हम शायद इसको ब्रेड बोलेंगे ना, कि बट क्या वर्ड है, करेक्ट वर्ड क्या है? लो, करेक्ट, लो, ओ. अच्छा, ये this is the corrections which we have already made it, right? So this is LOAF, right? And float, FLOAT. Right? Okay, now I'm going to show you more of the. So these are, जो मैं आपको बता रही हूँ, two letters come together and make one sound. They are called the diagraphs. They are called the diagraphs, है ना? Diagraph क्यों बोलते हैं? Die मतलब two. जब two letters साथ में आके एक sound बनाते हैं, उसको diagram बोलते हैं. Okay? That's a simple thing. OA making O sound, AI making A sound. So this is how it is. So these are the diagrams.
Consonants make a new sound.
Not only consonants, because see, O, A are the vowels, right? So it's, I am calling it as diagrams in that case also. Two letters making one sound. AI are not the consonants. So two consonants coming together, it is CH, SH. Somebody's TV is on, I think. Can I
Somebody's talking.
Okay, I can. Oh God, that sound was too much, right? Now I'm fine. Okay, so you're getting that thing. So it's how it goes about. That the you know, अभी मुझे बताओ, honestly, think and tell me. Are we doing this in the traditional method? में इतने words करवाते हैं क्या हम बच्चों को? करवा पाते हैं? Not at all, right? Not at all the techniques of. So not at all the technique is, something which we, don't know how to make them read so much, right? So this is how it happens. Now doubling, right? This is E, right? What is the sound of E? E. Simple. E. D. So double E takes. So again, two vowels working together, like ये तो एक ही है. दोनों दो बार है तो E. B. He. Feed. Tree. So E. E. और E का साउंड क्या होता है? वैसे हमने शुरू में क्या बताया था? ए. But this is the long vowel sound. Simple. हमने पहले short sound से सारे वर्ड सिखाए जो CVCs थे. उसके बाद में जब हम 4 letter 5 letter पे usually आ जाता है, then we teach them the long vowel sounds also, right? अभी ये क्या होता है कि ideally हमें इसको split करना चाहिए KG और prep में. अभी मेरे पास में तो टाइम नहीं, मेरा prep वाला बच्चा क्लास 1 में चला जाएगा. उसके पहले I have to give these all words. प्रेप वाला बच्चे तो राइटिंग स्किल्स पे आ जाते हैं, मतलब पैराग्राफ राइटिंग पे आ जाते हैं. सो दिस इज व्हाई वी हैड टू, आई वांटेड टू रियली कीप ऑन डूइंग दिस, स्टार्ट इट वेरी फास्टर, कि एटलीस्ट वी कैन अचीव देम टू एटलीस्ट वर्ड रीडिंग्स वो करेंगे बहुत अच्छी तरह से, राइट? सो दिस इज ऑल व्हाट ई साउंड, or sound. OR is or, corn, torch. So we are going to teach all these sounds. I'm going to show you my presentation, what I was showing you, just to show you that kahan par hum, where is my PPT gone? Oh, this is the word. This is the this thing. Let's understand this. Okay. देखो अभी हमने, अब आपको समझ में आया कि सबसे पहले हम कैसे जा रहे हैं. अच्छा, you all can revise the sounds with me. I'll say it, you say it. I'm just doing one sound. अब इसमें 42 sounds है, हम 42 sounds करेंगे, ठीक है? I'm just saying it, you say it, right? Okay, I can also do the actions, okay? E. C and K का साउंड एक ही होता है. का साउंड R का साउंड रेड. M का साउंड and man, right? D, dub, simple dub. G, dub. O, on off वाला off. U का साउंड umbrella. Please uniform नहीं बोलना. Uniform में U का साउंड U है. We are teaching only a sound in the beginning. Sound बाद में. U, E. I'm going to come to that sound of that. Wait. So right? U says Okay. L. F का sound क्या है? और actually it is no it's fan. Fin. Simple. Right. Okay. Then we come to the sound of A. Say just the name of A. It's okay. Say just the name of. See, how do we say it? It's not A. It's A. Right. J sound is J. O sound is O. Right. Right. Okay. T-I-E. क्या है वो? I. I. Salute. The captain says I. The captain say I. So that is I. Right? So that's the sound of I and E walking together and saying the sound I. So two vowels walk together. First one takes its name. दो vowels साथ में चल रहे हैं. किसका क्या हो रहा है? First वाला क्या कर रहा है? नाम ले रहा है अपना. Simple. Well, it's going on right now. E or E and or का sound साथ में चलते हैं. For. E or donkey. It's actually the see my donkey. It's in bar. E or it's called. So that's the song all about. Z is buzz, not bus. Buzz, right? Buzz. So that's zip. Right? Okay. W, It's not watch and a wall and water bottle. Right. Okay. Now NG. What is the sound of NG? Strong. Yes. Now that's a अच्छा, ये मुझे एक बात बताती हूँ. मैं आपको बता रही हूँ कि डायग्राफ्स क्या हैं. 2 letters. Again मैं वही बात बोलूँगी. 2 letters coming together and making a new sound. N का साउंड क्या है? G का साउंड क्या है? G. पर बोल रहे हैं क्या? Can you see my tongue touching the palate? No. थोड़ी बोल रही हूँ. It's inside. So it's making a new sound. That is why it is strong. Right? Sing. Thing. Okay. Now there are 2 double O. ये इसका मैं पहले भी रूल बता चुकी हूँ. If you all don't know, then I just want to, you know, yeah. कुक्कू बनो. कुक्कू कैसी होती है? मतलब कुक्कू in the sense the cuckoo clock. And why so that book. Book में कौन सा साउंड है? B-double-O-K. Book. Right? Moon में कौन सा साउंड है? Book. Moon. Right? Understood? Food. And double U का बहुत सारे short words हैं जिससे don't have that, you know, hook. Food. लंबा ऊ और छोटा ऊ. Right? That's how there are two different sound of O. And that's what we have to teach them together. Moon लिखता है बच्चा तो ऊ बोलता है. Book लिखता है तो ऊ बोलता है. ये सिखाना पड़ेगा ना. That's a rule. No? ऊ. That's how it is. Okay. Now next is, now let me go very faster. That is CH. अच्छा, Y sound we all know. Yeah. X sound is CH is, what is CH? ट्रेन चल रही है. Chips. Chips. Chin. The sound is that's it. And SH is ship. Ship. Simple. Is that clear? Okay. Now there are two TH. What are they? The and the. Simple. Ideally, it is voiced TH and unvoiced TH. Unvoiced क्या है? Bath. Voice नहीं आ रहा है. Bath. And then. The. आपको simple याद रखना है. The and the. Bath. And then. Simple. Them. The भी बोल रहा है और the भी बोल रहा है ना. That's the two TH sound. Voiced and unvoiced. उसको technical term में हम ऐसा सिखाएंगे. Okay. Now next is qua. That's qua. Simple. Qua. Q never goes alone now. Q की spellings usually, obviously, you know, queen, quail, all these things are qua. Right. Ow. लग गई है. Ow. Word बताओ. Pouch. Ouch. लिखो, सोचो.
Mouth.
Mouth. Right. So it's
South.
South. So these are south. Mouth. है ना? So pouch. So अब बच्चे ने CH भी सीख लिया, TH भी सीख लिया, ow sound भी सीखा है. Ow. Right? That also the child has, obviously the child will be able to make many spellings the way you did it. Right? So oi. बुलाना है. Oil. Point. है ना? Joint. The words like oil. Oil का sound आ रहा है ना? So that's how we say it. Oil. And you. अभी यहाँ you हम बताएंगे blue. Right? Blue. You says you. अच्छा, बहुत सिंपल है. प्लीज इसके सॉन्ग को सुनो. बहुत इजी है, समझ में आ जाएगा. And also I have shared videos with you all. I'm going to make my video too because there are so many people who have asked me to make my video. I'll do that. I'm actually going to do that very chota mein because bada videos nahi goes on to above the head. But I'm just going to say this thing, and I'm going to make my video of the sound. Please all practice about it. ER is mixer, fur, other full, FER wala na, FIR wala नहीं, R, car, R, last में R. Actually they say it's just car. You don't have to say R at all. But मुझे ऐसा लगता है बच्चे को नहीं बताएंगे ना तो they will actually not write R. They'll just CA. That's it. Car. So is actually silent in that. It's R controlled. Okay. So I think I have just covered it very quickly, everything. But for the more practice, we're going to meet again. And I've not really done a lot of exercises, activities, which we can do hundreds of activities each sound, which we can do it whenever we want. And you all can tell me when to meet next. I'm not going to tell you all when to meet next. Pragati or Sonia are going to get the, messages. Then only I'm conducting. Minimum 30 students if I get, then I take the next one. So we have a lot more.
Sure,
we have a lot more to go about. This is just the beginning. Okay, very much beginning. I just gave the entire overview. So parents को आप कभी भी deal करते हैं. So you have the answers yourself. Why do we do this, right? I think I have convinced you. I've actually explained. I never had to convince you. I think I explained you enough about कि हम क्यों कर रहे हैं, right? Are you all with me? Not with me. With us, right? Me as a canvasser. I am canvas, I feel. So I'm talking about with canvasser, with us, right? Of course you all are. I'm just saying it on this case. We all together, we know it. We are on the same page. I know we all had agreed upon it कि बहुत अच्छा technique है. I'm just saying it, understanding me, we are syncing or not right now. Right? Over to Sonia. I'm done. Thank you so much. And thank you so much for being so patient listeners. बहुत सारा बोल दिया मैंने. So thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you, Asha. I think it was a wonderful, wonderful training. Even I was totally into. I didn't want to do any other work today. I just wanted, to learn more from you. That's wonderful. I think we all enjoyed. I could see everybody participating. Thank you so much. And yes, as Asha said, I'll always say, yes, we want from your side now. Definitely. Asha is always wonderful teaching us.
Saturdays we have kept it for you all.
You all. That's why no classes.
For the little ones, so Monday to Friday उन्हें सिखाएंगे and Saturday सब साथ में सीखेंगे.
So anytime you people let us know, next Saturday you all are interested, we always are in, and our Asha ma'am is wonderful. She's always ready for us.
Thank you, ma'am.
So definitely, any queries, any questions anybody wants to ask, any doubts, that will be great. Yes, I'm receiving a lot of thank you
so much.
I would like to know one thing.
Yes.
Ma'am, things which children they are doing in their book, they are sending us pictures. We have to make file and save it in our laptop.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, please do that. Whatever they are sending, each child one folder you make it, right? And that way you can keep on saving their work. So
and activities also.
Everything, ma'am, everything. Because we are going to at the end soon, just within a week, we are also going to talk. Maybe next Saturday we are going to talk about assessments. How are we doing it? And assessments will be done by the centers. So what will happen is, how would you do the assessments? Obviously, just by seeing them randomly coming in the classes. So that's the reason we actually advise you all to be there in the classes. Some or the other time, I'm ठीक है सब सारे 4 क्लास में नहीं आ सकते, 3 में आ जाओ, 2 में आओ, right? So at least observe your kids, see their participation. एक participation पे भी assessments होंगे, and whatever they are submitting you उस पे भी assessments होंगे. So we are going to do, because we are not going to sit about like this, right? We will have to give them report cards. We will have to release the report cards now soon, right? Maybe like the term end, of course, right? So when the first term gets over, 2 report cards we're going to talk to them about. So that we'll have to discuss. By the coming Saturday, we are going to talk about it. Right? I'm going to explain the entire assessment system. How is it going to happen online right now, and in future, how are we going to do it? So right now, wala strategies we are going to do. Right? So you would need all those to be saved.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Right.
Any other questions or queries?
Any other questions, queries?
I hope you all are marking the attendance of your kiddos who are coming for the online class. That's very, very important. Mark it in your My School app. I would suggest please maintain that is very important, their attendance. And equally the second part, what Asha ma'am said, best, make each child folder. That's the best thing. Every child folder, and keep putting all the work which is coming into that folder. So by the end of the month, you know how much the parents are sending you, which parents are not sending. I hope you're following that tracker also, which was sent to you, where we had told you to maintain for the online classes. If you've not started doing, please start it, all of you. That tracker will make you help yourself. Where is the home learning coming? Where are we doing with the attendance? Which children are not coming regularly? That tracker will really help you to maintain well. So please start doing that again, because that's going to be very helpful. Am I right, Asha? That's really going to make them helpful. It's very important for them to maintain. Otherwise, by the end of the month, you will not know this child has attended only 4 classes or the complete 12 classes. How will you
Please maintain the attendance. Please do that. You know, we are really maintaining all the kind of online classes. It's like, you know, what is happening in class, how many minutes, what all is shown, everything we are maintaining, because what will happen that after 20 days, after after maybe, you know, a lot of classes, any parent will say like, ye to kiya nahi tha, or so we know it like what date. So see, keeping the documents in your own front is very important for your clarity. So attendance mark कीजिए, folders में बच्चों का काम भी लीजिए, which we've already discussed last time. Make folders each child wise. आपके 5 बच्चे हैं, 5 folders बना लीजिए. Every day date wise काम सेव करते जाइए. Simple. और वो मतलब जैसे 5th जुलाई को या 6 जुलाई को या 7 जुलाई को डालते जाओ ना उसके अंदर. It's very easy. Just transfer ही तो करना है. No, later we'll see how we are going to go about with that next meeting we are going to talk about. Done. Let's wind up. Yeah. Thank you.
Right.
Bye bye.
So I think thank you. Bye bye, all of you. Happy weekend.
Yes.
Bye. Take care.
Bye.
Thank you, Asha. Thank you.
Thank you.